All right, what is up, guys? Evan Aldo here. So, nice pump this morning. Things are looking nice. It feels good to be around, 44K for Bitcoin. That feels good. Um, so, the latest in the exclusive Discord right here is so I added to both of my Bitcoin longs currently and took some more profits a little while ago on the fib level that we just hit at about 44,170. Had a scalp Bitcoin short yesterday, hit the first take profit, then got stopped out. Or this was a loser. This one was a loser. This was the scalp I was talking about yesterday, and so we do have not right 100% of the time. And then we had a Ethereum. We're gonna hit the next that's next take profit or swing long, and Ethereum short entry locked in profits for this a little while ago. Waiting for the next take profit now. We'll see what happens. So yeah, and the next take profit for the Bitcoin longs is that point. It's a little when you have a lot of accounts open, a lot of trades over, it gets a little confusing. Always remember to set your stop losses. Always remember because it's easy to forget when you have a lot of accounts open. So be careful with that. So let's get right into Bitcoin right now. So the main thing here, and things are looking better and better as the days go on. I mean, money flow curving up here on your 2 day, your 3 day, curving around, almost getting back into the green. However, once we got into the green here, it didn't really play out too well. You came up a little bit, but then you just came down. Maybe the next time we come into the green, it'll work out better. There definitely is an argument to make, for new all-time highs by the summer. I know some of the bears don't like it when I talk about that, but there is that possibility, especially with look at, these money flow crossovers. Last money flow crossover from, red to green, 66%. Where would that bring us? 66%. I believe that would be okay, just about all-time highs. So you'd get very close, if not being able to beat it. But also, your weekly green dot here, if it plays out like this one did, this one didn't play out too well, but plays out over here, you'd probably make new all-time highs around 75K, come up, a total of 130% or something, 75, 80K. So that's in the cards, especially with inflation, everything happening. Bitcoin did bottom out with the NASDAQ, with the stock market in 2018. Maybe it will bottom out with it again here, and maybe we just see some clear skies for the next few months. That would be nice. But I wouldn't get my hopes too high. The last bullish thing I want to show you is this daily, EMA ribbons coming into the bright. The last two times didn't really completely happen, but this time it looks like they're all in the bright right now. So if you just look at historically, bam, bam, it could bring us up. I mean, if you measure it out from, this would be a good place to kind of estimate 54%. Let's see, 54%. That would be nice. 62K. That could happen. When would that happen? I mean, it's going to take some time. Maybe end of April. If we do turn out really bullish, I could see that happening. Maybe even into May, something like that. So, yeah. In terms of short term, I mean, you are starting to get a little bit overheated, a little high in the green on the 12 hour, but I think you're due to have a nice run on the 12 hour. I mean, something like here and come up. You are due for that. So, that could definitely bring us up quite a bit. Your next big point, 48, 45, these two areas with the spiral line. I believe there's another one. Oh, yeah, we're about to hit that one right now, about 44. So it seems like definitely we're seeing a healthy correction. That's why I went short on ETH, went short a little bit too early on Bitcoin and got stopped out. You can't win them all, but I mean, normally my strategies and my calls are right the vast majority of the time. So yeah. In terms of your 4 hour, your VWAP, it's just trying to come down now. It's curving back up a little bit. You are getting a little bit overheated here. So, it would be nice to see a healthy correction down a little bit, especially with, you may get you're about to get another bearish div on your hourly to come down to 42. I mean, if you do come down to the spiral line, strong place to look for a long or to add to I'd probably get stopped out in profit if we do go that low with my swing Bitcoin longs, but all these areas, obviously, all these points, good places to look to add. Your 30-minute, as you're hitting that area, you're rejecting from it. You're printing that bearish div and rejecting from that area. I think there's a good shot we come back down to 43 or something. In most bullish of circumstances, next big place would be this spiral line right here, 44.6, and then 45.2 about. So that's going to be big. Moving on to Ethereum, just a nice textbook. I'll show you kind of how I got into this this short right here, just a nice divergence coming on your 12-minute here, all the way from there to there. Bam, came right down to the first take profit. My first take profit was, I believe, at, where was it? I believe it was a local fib level. Here to here. Yeah, perfect, right down to that place. Or, no, I believe it was from here to there. Right around to that one, excuse me. That's the fib level I was drawing. And local fib levels, good places to lock in profits for your first take profit. So yeah, it's generally looking the same as Bitcoin. Your daily, I want to start with, daily coming back into the green right here. That's always good historically, as I've been saying. Your 12-hour, you're starting to get a little overheated. It wouldn't surprise me if we pull back a little bit right now. And good curvature there. It looks like we can continue this forward. Obviously, big place at 3,300. That was my kind of prediction for the end of March. And we'll see if it does do that. Your 2-hour is more of your bearish case, money flow coming out. It's like this on Bitcoin as well. And your 30-minute, momentum generally coming down as prices continuing to come up here. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we do come down a bit here. We did pump. We have been coming up quite a bit. I mean, since our low like March 15th, past like 9 days, 4%. So would make sense to have a healthy pullback here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Also, check out my exclusive Discord, link in the description below. It's through Patreon. Keep in mind, you do get billed on the 1st of next month, 1st of every month, so maybe wait a week if you want to get double billed. And check out my trading course, link in description below. Discount code TRADEFOREVER, 16% off. Risk management, trading psychology, how I do my trades, all the things you need to know to trade like me, theoretically. A lot of people have really liked it, so check that out. And if you want to get Market Cipher, link in the description below. Use my link and my discount code below to get 15% off. And if you want to sign up for BITGET, want to sign up for MEXC, use my link in the description below. There's some good promos going on right now. And if you want to book a one-on-one session with me, link in the description below. All right, guys, hope you have a good one. Goodbye.